Hey guys, are you want to buy best keyless entry systems for cars? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best keyless entry systems for cars that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Lwuey Car Keyless Entry System. The modern keyless entry car kit brings convenience, security, and advanced functionality to everyday driving. With remote access, drivers can easily lock or unlock their vehicle doors without fumbling for physical keys, making daily use faster and hassle-free. Using secure radio frequency signals, these systems enhance safety while ensuring reliable communication between the remote and the vehicle's locking system. Many universal kits include added features like remote engine start, trunk release, and automatic door locks, offering comfort in extreme weather and practical usability. Hands-free entry further elevates convenience, detecting the key fob's proximity to unlock doors automatically. Designed to integrate with a wide range of vehicles, these systems provide versatility and comprehensive security. For drivers seeking comfort, safety, and modern technology, a remote keyless entry kit is an essential upgrade. Now our second product is Geevorks Universal Car Keyless Entry System Kit. This keyless entry car kit is a complete upgrade solution for modern convenience and vehicle security. The package includes 4 door lock actuators, 2 remote controllers, 1 control box, wiring, installation accessories, and an English manual, giving you everything needed for an easy installation. By converting manual door locks into automatic locking systems, it greatly enhances both safety and comfort. With a reliable remote control range of up to 50 to 80 meters, you can effortlessly lock or unlock your car from a distance. Designed for 12V vehicles, the system is compatible with most cars and can also integrate with alarm systems. A built-in trunk release button adds extra functionality, though a relay is required for negative signal trunks. Overall, this kit offers a universal, affordable, and practical upgrade for any car. Our third product is Estink Keyless Entry System. The keyless entry system offers drivers unmatched convenience and modern functionality. With this upgrade, you can remotely lock and unlock your car without inserting a key into the lock hole, perfect for day or night use when finding the keyhole can be frustrating. Beyond door control, the system also supports multi-purpose functions such as turning lights on, raising power windows, helping locate your car, and even remote trunk release for added practicality. Designed with universal fitment, it is compatible with most vehicles, making it a versatile choice. With a fast response range of 50 to 80 meters, both electronic and pneumatic door locks work smoothly. The package includes a control box, 2 remote controllers, wiring set, and a user manual, ensuring quick installation. Overall, this is a smart and affordable upgrade for any car owner. Now number 4, Holwim Keyless Entry System. The Holwim Universal Car Door Lock Kit is a complete upgrade designed to enhance both safety and convenience. The package includes 4 door lock actuators, 2 car keys, a Faraday bag, control box, anti-theft warning light, wires, accessories, and a user manual, everything you need in one kit. With a remote control range of 50 to 80 meters, it allows you to lock and unlock your vehicle effortlessly from a distance. Added features like a remote trunk release and flashing lights ensure practical usability and peace of mind. Built with advanced SMT technology, automotive-grade MCU chip, ASC receiver, and a fireproof, dust-proof circuit board, the system guarantees reliability and strong anti-interference. Tested over 100,000 uses, the durable motor ensures long-lasting performance. Compatible with most 2-door and 4-door vehicles, this kit is a smart, universal upgrade for modern drivers. And our last choice is Shkalacar Car Keyless Entry System. This keyless entry system is a practical upgrade for any vehicle, offering convenience, safety, and modern functionality. With the ability to remotely lock and unlock your car, it eliminates the hassle of using a traditional key. The trunk release button adds extra utility, allowing quick access to your storage without effort. A flashing alert with LED indicator helps you locate your car in crowded parking areas, making it both secure and user-friendly. Designed with universal compatibility, it suits most cars, operating at a frequency of 433.92 MHz with a reliable remote distance of 50-80 m. The system consumes minimal current, less than 1 mA, ensuring efficiency. The package includes a control box, 2 remote controllers, LED connection wire, wiring set, and a user manual, providing everything needed for easy installation and use. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.